I'm a speech therapist, and I'm going to show you how to use my data sheet for 3. I really like this sheet because it allows me to take data on 3 different students using the same sheet of paper, so I don't have to flip back and forth between one sheet and another. As you can see up here at the top, I've written the name of each of the students, and I've just listed some sample students here. And then underneath, I've written the goals that they're working on for this term. The first student, I've listed that they're working on 2 different goals, vocalic R and past tense. So I label the goals as number 1 and number 2, and then more if there's more. And then when I get ready to work on that goal, I write the number of the goal, and then I circle it. So for each student, I've written the date at the start of the column, and then I've written what level and what position of their articulation goal that they're working on. So I'm going to give you a quick sample of how I would take data on this, and then I'll show you how to tabulate it really quickly. Okay, so I'm going to have someone read as each of the 3 different students so we can get a quick sample. And let me please hear from Mark.
The doctor is nice. The doctor is nice.
Okay, good job.
The doctor is nice. The doctor is nice. The doctor is nice.
Okay, great. And Terry?
Comb and brush.
Okay, just a minute, Terry. Let me write that down. Nice working. Okay.
Comb and brush.
Okay, I'm writing that one down too. Keep up the nice work. Let me hear your next one.
Comb and brush.
Okay.
Comb and brush. Comb and brush.
All right, next we're going to have Lisa. Thank you, Terry. Lisa, go ahead.
Dip.
Why don't you try that one again?
Dip.
Okay, Lisa, nice working. Let's try it again. Slide your tongue back a little bit.
Sip.
Good work. 2 more, Lisa.
Sip.
And your last one.
Sip.
All right, so now we've got some filled in, and through the computer magic of time elapse, we're going to pretend like we did a whole session with those guys, and now we have the whole chart filled in. So now we want to quickly get the students' percentages. So what I'm going to do is I've color-coded each row, and they're already in groups of 5s. So I can quickly in number 20. And then I see 1, 2, 3, 4 errors that they made. So that's going to be they got 16 correct out of the 20. And so 16 out of 20, I know that's the same as 8 out of 10. So this student was 80% accurate today. Now looking over at Terry's column, I see that there's 1 more row, and they're color-coded in such a way that every time you see a white bar, that's the start of a new chunk of 25. So here's 1 whole chunk of 25 here. I know that this student gave me 25 trials of their target, and they missed only 1, 2, 3. So they got 22 correct out of the 25. And then I know that 25 goes into 100 4 times, and 3, the number they missed, times 4 is 12. So I'm going to take away 100. I'm going to take away 12 from 100, which is going to give me 88%. The next student, I can see that I see the white bar in there twice, which tells me there's 2 chunks of 25. So this student had 50 trials. See, if you see there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then we start a new section, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So there's 50. And then I've counted up the number of errors they made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 errors. So 50 minus 13 would be 37. Okay, so I know that I just need to multiply this by 2 so that it's out of 100. So we're going to Take that out of 100, that's going to be 74%, because 37 times 2 is 74, and 50 times 2 would be 100, so it's 74%. And now I've got my data for the whole session. I am going to post the link to this data sheet in the description, and I also have one for just one student at a time if you prefer to take data on just one sheet per student. But I really like having it all on one page, so I will post them both to my Teachers Pay Teachers site and post the link in the description. Thank you for watching.